Well, hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to change the position of the launch bar on Ubuntu. So the launch bar is the bar on the left of your screen. So there are a lot of people who come from Windows and are used to having this bar at the bottom of the screen. You can move this bar to the bottom of the screen. I'll show you how. So go to the very bottom of this launch bar to the Show Applications button. There, it's done. Okay, here, look for the settings icon. So it's here, you see. Click on it, there. Here, I have my settings displayed. We're interested in going to Appearance. There we go. I can choose light or dark, but it doesn't affect the launch bar. I'm changing it anyway because I like it. Dark is well done. Otherwise, I won't change the other colors. Here, I scroll down a bit and go to the dot. What we call the dock, you see, it's this. And there you see, you scroll down to position on screen. So here you see, it's on the left, which is what we see on the screen. And now I'm just going to simply click bottom. There. And now, I have a desktop that looks a lot like Windows with the launch bar at the bottom. There you go. Well, I hope this short tutorial helped you. If it did, feel free to give me a like. If you like my account and find it useful, feel free to follow. Thanks for following this tutorial. See you soon. Goodbye.